Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia and as usual I'm gonna show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. Come with me. Hello again, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia and as usual I want to show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. First of all, I want to thank you for choosing my video and it's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. Today I'm in Kadikoy district. Kadikoy, with its lively atmosphere and city life, historical buildings, being an important transportation hub, market, large young and student population, cultural events and arts, shopping centers, cafes, pubs and restaurants, by the seaside and lively nightlife, especially along its famous bar streets and the nearby residential suburb of beautiful Moda, is one of the most popular and colorful districts of Istanbul. In Kadikoy, you may experience and enjoy how the Istanbul locals live. Strolling around the Kadikoy and watching the crowd, having a rest and drink tea or coffee at the different cafes nearby the sea. Kadikoy Market and the famous Baharye Street are the most popular place to visit and see in Kadikoy. The famous fish market in the market area is worth a visit and see. The traffic-free Baharye Street can be considered as the most lively and famous place in Kadikoy. Walking in this area is always enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour too. Thanks for subscribing and support me by setting the bell to get the notifications, and it makes me happy if you comment me that if you've been there, what was your experience.